Hey guys, this is the Trading for Dummies series brought to you by Mastermind Trading. Introduction. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of price action and candlestick analysis. Price action basically refers to the movement of price plotted over a period of time. So when you look at a price chart, what you see happening on the screen is basically what is referred to as price action. It's the movement of price over a period of time. This system of analyzing the market was first developed by Japanese rice trader Monaisa Oma in the 18th century and is now widely being used by traders all across the globe. Price action and candlestick analysis is considered the best form of market analysis by traders because it provides a visual representation of price movement over a given period of time. There are two types of candlesticks which we'll look at briefly. But first, it is important to note that a candlestick is basically made up of two components, which is the body and the wick. The body, it makes up the main part of the candlestick, while the wick is that part that looks like a black arrow shooting out of the candlestick. Remember, I said there are two types of candlestick comprising both the body and the wick. Now, the first here is the bullish candlestick, which is usually represented in green color, and it represents upward price movement over a given period of time. Don't forget, candlestick represents price movement over a given period of time. So let's say we are looking at gold or any financially traded asset, or basically any asset over a 5-minute period of time in which the price of that asset basically increased. This is what the candlestick representing that 5-minute period of time will look like. If you open up any candlestick, you will notice price moving through 4 basic points. And in the case of a bullish candlestick, you would notice price moving through this part. Now, the first point is the open. The open basically is the point where price starts its movement over the period of time. So let's say we are looking at a 5-minute candlestick representing the movement of the price of gold or silver, for example. Now, the open is the price where gold started the 5-minute movement. So let's say the price, I'm assuming that the price of gold at the start of the 5-minute is at $1,500 per ounce of gold, and then through the 5-minute it went from $1,500, dropped slightly to $1,450, then picked up from there, ending the period at about 1,550, but within the 5-minute period at some point it got as high as 1,600 before closing the period at 1,550. So open will be the point where gold started the 5-minute movement, the price where we started the 5-minute movement. The low is going to be the lowest point that price got to at any point in time within the 5 minutes. The high is the highest point where price got to within the 5-minute period, while we have the closing to be the place or the price, the point at which price closed the 5-minute period. On the other hand, we have the bearish candlestick, which is basically a candlestick representing downward price movement. It is the candlestick that basically shows the downward price movement over a given period of time. Now, similarly to the bullish candlestick, the bearish candlestick comprises of the body and the wick, which basically shows the movement of price through the open, the low, the high, and the close. So a 5-minute bearish candlestick representing gold or silver price action over a 5-minute period of time will basically show the opening price, the high of the period, the low of the period, and the closing price of the period. I particularly don't trade individual candlestick pattern, neither do I bother myself with their names, but there are some neutral candlestick patterns that don't reflect either bullish price action or bearish price action over a given period of time. So like I love to say, price is a storyteller. Don't be a spoiler. Don't try to predict it. Just follow it through till the end. So guys, I remain Monaco Daniel from the world most populous Black Nation. See you all in the next video.